Chapter 7, Season 2. And we're here to get the dubifications and to get ready for Power Hour. Doubles, are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 doubles, hello. Are we live? Are we live, doubles? Are we live? Hello, hello, hello. Let me know. Mic check 1 2 1 2. We're live on all the socials, right? On everything. We're on everything, aren't we? All of them, I tell you, all of them. All right, all right, all right, doubles. All right, all right. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one, DBL Nicks in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker. And it's another episode of Power Play. Power Play. If you're new to the show, let me give you the background of the premise of the show. Let me tell you what it's about, because it's kind of a cool concept, right, Doubles? Yeah, right? You like it? I like it. You like it? I like it. I like it. All right, so what we do is we realize that we still have a good solid hour and a half before Power Hour, which is at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's when the second wave of volume comes back into the stock market, usually, right? So a lot of trading happens primarily in the pre-market into the opening hours of the stock market. And then there's a lull. You know, people go and they get some Chipotle, you know, they get some California fresh kale, you know what I mean? Or maybe they get themselves a boiga, you know, I mean, all kinds of things. The In-N-Out, you know, the In-N-Out burger, maybe one of those things, you know what I'm saying? Doubles, you know, right? And the volume kind of dips, and the stocks that were moving may not necessarily be moving. So what we do is we share with you our custom scanners that we created specifically for our private Discord members. And this particular scanner, this is one of them. We have several. This one is the market mover, which is the top gainers stocks. And it's pretty cool because it provides float and volume, whereas most scanners don't tell you what the float is, which is kind of silly that they don't do that, because how are you supposed to know, you know, what the volume rotation is to the float, doubles? You know what I mean? Yeah. But ours has that. It works pre-market, regular hours, after hours, and then it has hyperlinks with the news, because we provide 24 hours a day, 7 days a week stock news for the Discord community with search features. So we're going to share all of those tools on stream with you, and we're going to go ahead and check out the stocks, do some technical analysis on the charts over here, and of course take a look at what the catalysts are. Is it a press release? Is there a filing? What's making a stock run? And you know, what's the likelihood that it's going to come back and run again in Power Hour? That's the power portion of Power Play, the show Power Play. The play portion of it is we realize that after we do the technical analysis and we look at what's going on with the stock and the news and all that other stuff, it's still an hour and a half before Power Hour, so there's just not a lot of volume, right? So we got to put the stocks on high heat, let them simmer. You know, we got that special, that gas stove, not the electric stuff. You know what I mean? The gas, because you control it. You know, you put the pan cover over it. You let the stock simmer a little bit. Every now and then you take the spoon and you put the stock on the stock. Right? Is that a thing, bro? A stock on the stock. You know, the juice. The juice. You put it. You baste it. You baste the stock. You got to baste it. You know what I mean? Yeah, baste it a little bit. You make it get nice and juicy, and then we go and get a victory royale for the community. Right? We go and win in battle royale for Fortnite, aka get a win, aka get a W, short for a win, aka get a dub, short for a W, aka get a dub for the community, for the indelible tribe. That's you guys. All right, so let's get a share party going on. We're going to review some of the stonks and then go into Fortnite. Let those stonks simmer on high heat. Let's get a share party. Let's get it on. Let's get it done, folks. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. You want to also set the notifications on and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a stock that you want discussed, put it in the chat. We're also on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're putting out content on financial news Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Everything and anything having to do with small cap and micro cap stocks, whether it's technical analysis, filings, press releases, and much, much more on X.com, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, or as doubles like to call it, the Tac. At DBL Nicks. At DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Money, money, money. Wait a minute. Wait. New season, bro. New season. Money, 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 money. Money. Wow, man, that ice kingdom over there, right? Well, I'm not into cold though, bro. I'm really not into the cold, and I don't understand why they're putting an ice kingdom.
That's probably why you joined
now.
the rock side. I didn't want to.
I did. Yeah, I did join. I joined the rock side because I don't like the cold, bro. Yeah, I'm with the rock, bro. Besides, he got the MK. I love the MK. You know I love the MK, bro. You know that. You know that. I'm like really excited to go and play this game. I want to check out the new season. You know what I mean?
Yeah, now they have like a whole thing between all the players on Fortnite who are
they
on
got
the rock side and the people who are on freaking.
Yeah, they have like this situation where you have like battles against people and stuff like that, right? Like gripes and whatnot.
Yeah,
I forgot what they call them. Rivalries. There you go. That's the $5 word.
Gaming since the beginning of time.
Yeah. The rivalries, bro. Yeah. Okay. Also, folks, if you'd like to have access to the Discord community, it's an amazing community, a lot of educational content, tremendous scanners like the Market Mover scanner, as well as the Breakout scanner, which is specifically designed to flag stocks that are potentially getting ready to break out into a parabolic movement before they actually do. And of course, the early watch list, which is absolute fire. We put out an early watch list at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And there's almost always a stock 2, 3, or 4 that ends up running parabolic, baby. Cha. Yeah, dude. SER. We called it last night. All right, we called it last night as one of the stocks that we alerted for this morning, and of course it ran parabolic well over 100%. It's now currently 103%, and also SUNE was another stock that was also alerted. It ran quite a bit. Now it's pulled back somewhat, but it's still up 38%. These two were just two of the multiple stocks that were called yesterday. ELA currently up 43%. Also notified as an early watch list. So let's get a share party. Let's get the first 100 folks here. The first 100, and we'll start going through some of the stonks, doubles. But before we do that, I just want to see what's going on with this season, bro. I'm like, I don't know, play on mobile. Look at that. You can play on the phone. I would never play on the phone, bro. Nah, man. What the heck is this? What is this? No.
I don't know what you did.
I don't know. I better close it. I don't want to mess nothing up, bro. I don't want to mess nothing up, doubles. I don't want to mess it up.
Are you checking to see if there's like any video or something?
I don't know. I was trying to, bro.
I know where you can find it.
I was trying. How do I get rid of this? This is annoying.
You refresh.
Yeah, but if I refresh, bro, it's gonna like probably create problems. It's been giving me problems lately, doubles. You know what I mean? I refreshed, bro. I refreshed. Now I gotta put the thing on that says coming soon, starting soon. You see, look, you see what I'm talking about? This is annoying. It's annoying. I don't like it. I don't like it. How do I do this without messing myself up, doubles?
Plus the details.
Which one? Where? Where?
Open a new tab.
Oh,
New
no.
tab.
No.
Not that tab. Other tab. The one
What? This?
Yeah, open a new tab next to that.
What new? Man, I'm going to have to reset everything?
Press the details.
Oh, come on. Really?
I know.
And now I got to start all over again? Oh, come on, dude. Noah. No.
Press the days.
No. All right, I want to go back to power play. Hold on. Now I gotta reset everything. How come the game's not showing? What the heck? Everything's going wrong now, doubles. It's all your fault. You see, you made me refresh.
Well, you said how do you
leave me alone.
Yes.
He's a troublemaker, guys. You know? I don't know. You're not nice. You're not nice, doubles. You're not nice, bro. I don't know. I need you to be nice, bro. You know what I mean?
You bully me.
I know I do bully you. Yes. And rightfully so, mind you. All right, we're just going to do it like this, all right? Leave me alone. Yes. Leave me alone, doubles. Leave me alone. Let me put SER over here. SER. We'll check a look.
Make sure it's 5 minutes.
I know already. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, doubles. You bother me. You're bothering me. Stop bothering me. Stop it. Wait a minute. Where's the VWAP? Where's the volume weighted average? Where is it? You're pissing me off, but I guess that's good, right? That's good unless you're into that kind of stuff, you know? Being pissed off, not pissed on. I don't know. I don't know. Let me fix this. I don't like the color of the
Like
VWAP.
another dad joke?
I want the I don't want the dad joke. That's your stuff from the morning. I don't want your stuff from the morning. We got the afternoon. We're the cool afternoon people. We play video games, bro. Come
Yeah.
on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
I am jelly.
You should be jelly, yeah. I get to play video games. You don't.
Uh-huh.
Nah. All right, exponential moving average, 9, EMA. Let's go ahead and correct it, change the color on it, make it schmexy. Little schmexiness, why not? It never hoit nobody, doubles. It never hoit nobody. There we go. All right, we're back in business, bro. I'm going to have some coffee and I'm going to start doing the stonks, bro. Let's get that share party going on. You ready? Let's talk about SER, which is currently on right now, on the stream right now. And the stocks are moving higher. The company announced that it entered into a $30 million private placement. What is a private placement, doubles? Let's click this, bro.
Let's see.
Let's clip it. Let's clip it, doubles. I'm going to clip it. All right, we're going to discuss what a private placement is. With SER, it just announced today that it had a $30 million private placement. Now, this is different than a public placement. A public placement will generally create dilution of the stock. With a private placement, the stocks that are being issued are generally restricted stocks that do not affect the float, whereas a public offering or a public placement, the stocks are unrestricted and they can be traded by the general public, so they affect the float. So this particular situation where there's a $30 million private placement is actually a bullish signal because they're getting money in without affecting the float, whereas with a public placement, it actually does increase the tradable float, which could affect the price, because if the float goes up and the volume stays down, your demand stays down, but your supply goes up. So your price goes downtown. So that is what the story is. Let's end the clip right there, doubles. Right there. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying, doubles. Okay, so that's the story. So that helped the stock go up over 100%. It's coming back down because you can see that the 9 EMA over here is quite extended from the volume weighted average. The 9 EMA obviously is a shorter wavelength moving average, and it's going to be more reactive. So if the price is getting pushed in a bullish way, it's going to move faster than the volume weighted average upward. And as things start to slow down, it's going to start moving faster on its way downward than the volume weighted average will. So in this situation, you could see over here that it's clearly formed an irregular double top, and that is a bearish signal for a potential reversal. Let me go ahead and change this to yellow, because again, the doggone thing changed colors. Why me? I tell you, why? Why, doubles? Why, I tell you.
I don't know.
Anyway, it formed a double top, which is a bearish pattern, and that would signal that the price action should start to pull downward. And we can actually see that the 9 EMA is starting to fatigue and pull downward. And you can see that there's a significant gap between the 9 EMA and the volume weighted average, which would also signal that the price action should be dipping. The other information that we're looking at is down here, the relative strength index. This area up here is considered overbought. As the price action starts to move into this area, this usually is an indicator that the price action is going to start to reverse in the opposite direction. And we see that in fact is happening, and it also coincides with the fact that the volume candles are diminishing in size, which also coincides with the fact that we still have a solid 1 hour and 16 minutes before power hour, and we're in a slower part of the day. So what we want to see happen is a pullback in and of itself is not necessarily a bad thing. If anything, it's actually a good thing as long as it stays above the volume weighted average. The current volume weighted average on SER is $2.23. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated and put it over there. Put it right at the 223. We're right over here. Blue. Come on, bro. It's got to be green. Like my M&Ms, like my Benjamins, bro. Like my Benjis, bro. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 100. We're almost there. Let's get to the first 100 and we'll go into some other stonks. You know what I'm gonna do, doubles? I'm gonna go ahead and start the first match because I'm itching to see what the map looks like, and I'm gonna let folks come in so we have more people to talk to about the songs. All right, what do you think, Doubles? Does that make sense? Yeah. But first, I'm gonna have myself some coffee, bro. Coffee. Mm. Delish, Doubles. Delish. You understand what I'm saying, right, Doubles? Delish. It's delicious. And you made the coffee, and it was absolutely fantastic, Doubles. All right, let's go ahead and get a dub for the community, for the Indelible Tribe. Let's go get a victory royale. We see that SVRN is moving up. SVRN moving on up. SVRN moving on up. 29% heavy float. 29% heavy float. SVRN up. 29% heavy float. Here we go, Doubles. The official Chapter 7, Season 2. First time we're jumping in, bruh. First time we're jumping in. Okay, so far it looks like Season 1 so far, right? That was the lobby, all right?
Okay.
Looks the same. Now, I heard a couple of things that changed. One of the people who is in the Battle Royale is actually going to drive the bus. How about that, Doubles? And there's a way to earn XP. And they brought back this SMG right here, bro.
Huh.
They brought back this SMG right here.
The one with the flip rounds.
That one, bro. That one, bro.
The one with the mags taped together.
Yeah. That one. I ran out of ammo for it, but that one.
Yeah, no idea.
That one right there, bro. All right, so one of these fellas is going to be the bus driver. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh, wow, this is all new, bro. Oh, wow, what happened? They changed the place where I used to drop over here, bro.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, well, we're going to drop there anyway. Doubles. I want to see what happened. Doesn't look that much different, bro. No, I don't see that much difference. Oh, well, that purple thing right there, the purple thing. What is that? Is that like a rift or something like that, bro? You see it? Doubles, do you see the purple thing? Yeah. LNZA.
LNZA.
Moving on light volume up 30%. 30%. Bobo Beebs, Lima Charlie in the house. You got it, my partner. Roger that. I hope you made some money today. I know you weren't trading earlier, but I hope you made some money. Money. How's the new season looking? We are jumping into the first game, brother. We are jumping. I'm excited about it. I didn't get to drive the bus. It turns out that this season, one of the 100 folks that... Oh, man, this guy's landing right near me, bro. No, I'm good, bro. I'm good. One of the people who is in the Battle Royale is actually going to be the person that drives the bus, but it wasn't me this time. It was not me. Oh, look at this. It looks like there's an AK in the game. AK, right? AK. I'm not a fan of them. But, okay. All right. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. All right. Let's see what's going on over here. I think somebody is... there's a rivalry going on, and somebody called the rivalry against me, so they're going to be coming for me in a moment. Any second now, I tell you. These rotten scoundrels. So there you have it. Oh, what's this? Is there a way to get down here or no? Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. Is it? No, it's still here, bro. All right. Now, I heard they changed the impulse grenades. They do not break through build. That's another thing, Bobo B. Yep, that's another thing. Yes, sir. So we're learning all these things.
Good for mobility, and that's it, huh?
Mobility, and that's it, bro. That's it. Oh, I should have took minis. I don't know if there are any minis, though. See, I blew it. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at that. Looka, Doubles. Looka, bro. The SMG. So this SMG is called a twin mag. This is old, bro. They had this in the previous seasons, bro. Yeah. All right. So somebody's gonna want to do a battle with me. They've already picked me out to fight me. So I don't know. I don't know how it plays, how it works. I know there's a station that you go to, and that's how you end up having that battle. So I don't even know if this guy's near me yet. I have no clue. No clue whatsoever. Ooh, look at this. They got splashes back in the game. Now I heard this SMG is pretty dope. This one that's on the floor, you know, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeesh.
All right. So far, I don't see much of a difference, bro. Do you? Chaos Reloader. I don't know what that is. What does it do? This thing is slow. Yeah, I'm not loving these shotguns, bro. They're too slow, bro. They're too slow, bro. Ooh, I like that though. What is this? What is this? All right, we can deal with that. Why not, bro? Why not? Why not, bro? Oh, why not, bro?
Yeesh.
All right. Let's go loot some more. I know I'm supposed to be having a battle with somebody. I don't know. You know, let's go with this thing. Let's go with this gun right here. See now, you see that cross sign over there? I think that's how you set up a battle. You see that? Doubles?
Yeesh.
Yes, sir. New season. New season over here. Alrighty. 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 Alright. Oh wow, storm already came? What the heck? Really? Oh my goodness, doubles. The storm is already here. I misjudged my time, and see, I'm not gonna start a battle right now.
No,
No, I'm not gonna do that, bro, because you know why? Because I'm not ready for it right now. You know, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet, doubles.
no,
All right. All right. New season. ELA moving.
ELA moving.
40%. Heavy float. Heavy float. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, doubles. Let's go. All right, here we go. We gotta get some tangos now, right?
Yeesh.
Bobo Beefs, we gotta go for the tangos, brother. We gotta go for the tangos. Tango, tango, tango. Tango, tango, tango. Tango, tango. All right, let's get in there. Look at the storm, dude. Look at the storm. It looks different, bro. You see it? Look at that. What is this, bro? Wow, this looks completely different, bro. I'm a little confused. What the heck? Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. This is where I want to be. All right, this is all changed over here a little bit, right? All right, let's go in here. Let's see what the deal is with this thing. This has changed too. Look at this. This has changed, doubles. Look at it. It don't look the same no more. Oh, look, bro. Oh, man, what do I do? All right, you know what? I'll do this. This is what I do. I'm keeping that, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it, bro. Right? What do you think, doubles?
Yeesh.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, my. All right. All right. Here we go. Let's get it. Let's get it done. All right. Anything good over here? Nah, man. I don't want that gun. Jetpack? Nope. No jetpack. How about I'll pop one of these things real quick. Why not? All right. Let's pop one real quick. Oh, look, there's like a machine over here too. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeesh.
Look at that.
Yeesh.
Look at that.
Yeesh.
All right, let's go. Let's go and see if we can. Did anybody grab this thing or what? Oh, look, I got some more impulse grenades. A little bit more. A little bit more. I don't think anybody took this thing. I think this is wide open, bro. Look at this. It is wide open. Wide open, bro. Oh my! Look at that, bro. Huh? Ain't that juicy? Ain't that nice, doubles? I got like shield. Why they changed the color to blue? How do I open this stuff? How do you open it, bro? Okay. What do I do? I don't know how to open it.
Is there an ID card you have to use?
I don't know how to open it, dude. I do not know how you open this thing. How do you open it?
Is there a button in
Authorized personnel and cats only. What?
I guess they closed it off.
They closed it off, huh? All right, that kind of sucks. All right. What about this? How do you make this thing move?
All button new.
Wow, this is kind of weird, right?
Yeah, they changed it.
That's kind of weird. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay. I got to get used to this, Doubles. I'm not really fully understanding what's going on here.
New season, new you.
Yeah, I know. It is a new season, new me, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's kind of weird, right?
I guess they don't want anybody going back behind that
I'm
door.
telling you, bro. I don't know. Kind of weird, bro.
Mm.
Nope. Oh, they got a whip over here for me. They got a whip, Doubles. They got one.
A whippy whippy.
A whippy whippy. I'll take it, bro. I don't mind. Look at all that lusciousness over there, guys.
Yep.
We got some luscious loot, baby.
Your rival's nearby.
I don't care. I don't care where my rival's at. There's some lusciousness here, bro. You know what I mean? Right here, bro. Look at this. Lusciousness, bro. I don't care about my rival, that fool. Is it the guy with the red?
Yeah.
I don't care about his rivalry with me. I got no qualms with him unless he starts to mess with me. Then I got a qualm with him. I might eliminate him anyway, though. Because he's starting to annoy me. He wants to fight. Don't tell me they took it. They took it, bro. All right, let me get this guy. All right. What happened here? Let me out. Let me out, I tell you. Do I end up fighting him in the storm, dude? I don't feel like I should.
I don't think you should do that.
Yeah, but I'm feeling ornery, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I want to eliminate him. What happened, bro? Why did he turn red? I don't understand. What happened?
Because he's a target.
I don't understand.
He's a target on the enemy team. He supports the Ice King. You support the Rock.
I don't know what happened, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna go in.
Go in and.
I'm just gonna go into my zone, bro.
If you bump into him, take him out. That's it.
I guess, right?
Simple.
I have no idea where the hell I am, Doubles. No clue.
Use the map.
This is annoying. This is
left.
annoying.
It's to your left. Zone's to your left.
Okay. All right. Hey, what happened to jetpack? They ain't got no more jetpacks, bro.
I don't know.
I don't see no jetpacks, bro. Am I out? Now I am.
Most definitely now. Remember that your enemy can see you as well, and he's moving right towards your 6.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Your rival can see you as well. Remember.
I got you, bro. My rival can see me is what you're telling me.
And he's right near you.
Uh-huh. So I got to take this guy out is what you're telling me, bro.
Yep, chances are good there's probably a reward in it for you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is. But where is this guy?
You gotta look. He's in the vicinity of that circle on the map.
Yeah, and I'm in that circle right now, bro.
You gotta look around. It's not an exact location.
All right.
Yeah, they don't.
All right.
Those circles are like approximate.
All right, location. Doubles. All right, let's get a share party. We're almost at 200, right? We're almost at 200.
200.
We're almost at 200. Where is this rotten scoundrel? Where is he, Doubles? I want him. Oh, is that him right there? He's right there. I see him. I'm tired of him stalking me. How dare he?
Take him out then.
I'm going to, Doubles. I'm going to, bro.
Get him.
He's over here somewhere. He was right here. I could have sworn. He's right there, bro. He's right there, bro. He's shooting at me, bro.
Hey, kill him.
I am. I'm going to shoot him, bro. I am going to shoot him, bro. Oh, no!
He's all the way up top.
I know.
Time to move
You know what? He wants to stay up top. He can stay up top, bro.
Screw him.
Let him stay up top, bro.
Get out of that car. It's on fire.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
All right, I got to get used to it, bro. It's all right. It's all
Yeah.
right. I want to watch this guy lose, though. Third place, man. I'm going to mess with...
Yes,
Oh,
man.
they got this thing. Did you see this, bro?
Grapple fest.
Yeah, you like throw it in the air and it creates like a zip line for you.
That's kind of dope.
Yeah, I want this guy though. I want to get him. I want to get him. You know. Yeah, and then it gives you glider redeploy. Check that out. What do you think, Bumblebees? What do you think, bro? It's different. I just got to get used to the season. No big deal. Still came in third, right, bro?
Yeah.
I would have loved to have taken him out. Man. He's aggro, bro. Look at him. He's like stalking people. The stalker. Stalker. Doubles.
Yes.
DLTH. Heavy float up 43%. Look at this clown. He's like trying to like do all kinds of fancy edits and whatnot. Come on, bro.
Heavy.
It's not that serious, bro. It's not that serious, bro. It's not that serious, bro. You're not that good, bro.
You're not that guy.
You're not that good, bro. Let me get used to the season. Yeah, I know. I know. You're going to dance. I know. Yeah. Uh-huh. Right. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. Okay. Clown.
Still 1v1, Buckaroo.
Yeah, you know what, bro? It's okay. It's all right.
And all you did was sweat.
Nah, he's not. It's no big deal. It's just, you know what it is? I'm not used to the season yet, and it's okay.
That's fine.
Not a problem. He won. But I'm going to smoke him next time I see him. Because it's just going to take me a couple of games to get used to it. Look, he's going to be a little... Oh, what's happening, buddy? What's up, bud?
Happened?
What's up? What's up, Turkey Roll? What's up? What's up, Turkey Roll? What's up?
What happened?
I want to hear the boom booms. Yeah, man. Bobo.
Come on, Billy Bad.
You know, what's the matter, Billy Bad? What's up? You getting smoked by my man over here, bruh? Oh, you fell down. You spinal. He's getting spinal, bro. He's getting spinal. Dude, you got the storm. What's the matter? 20 seconds. What's the matter, Billy Bad? What's the matter, you? We got to root for the other guy. Bobo, we're rooting for the other guy. I know I'm being salty, but
Nah.
he danced on us. You know?
That's not really salt by that point. That's just, justified.
Yeah, he's just being a creep.
Yeah, you're going to be a creep. Then,
yeah, I mean, you beat us. Leave it alone. But no, you got to... That's why I dance on these guys, because they do it to me all the time. It's like nasty. I don't like it, but they do it to me all the time, so I'm like tired of it, just win humbly. Why not, Nah, bro. This guy's going to smoke you, bro. Oh, he won. No. The evil empire won. No. Okay, let's get a share party going on. Let's take a look at another stonk. Let's get another stonk. Go other guy, right? Come on. All right, let's take a look at WETO. The stock ran earlier in the day. Let's take a look at it. WETO, we're looking at the custom scanners from the Discord. Bobo Beast knows about it. He's been using it. Float's not bad, 6 million. Volume, 99 million. But it pumped up pretty aggressively earlier in the day. We could see it right over here, earlier in the day. And then it formed a double top, which is a bearish reversal pattern. So let's go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated. And you can see that there's a top over here. And there's another top right over here, and then you had the old flusheroo. That's a term of art, guys. You got to learn all the terms of art that have to do with trading stocks. The flusheroo. There was a very famous person by the name of Coach Nick Money that actually created that term, the flusheroo, and basically what it means is a sell-off after a bearish pattern. A flusheroo, bro. It's in the stock dictionary, bro. It's in the stock dictionary, bro. For real. So we had a flusheroo over here, which is no bueno. That's also another term of art for stocks, right?
No bueno,
bro. It's not no bueno. That's Spanish. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. It's a term of art with stock trading. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. So you had the flusheroo, and you could see that the price action eventually stabilized and started consolidating, but it's grossly below the volume weighted average. If I get the graffiti pencil activated, I can show you that the volume weighted average is at 81 cents. 81 cents. So this becomes a significant resistance area, and we don't really have any kind of curlage happening right now with the volume, with the 9 EMA pushing it upward towards the volume weighted average. So we don't have any movement there. We can also see that the RSI is neutral. So there's no indication of a situation where either the buyers or the sellers are taking control. And obviously, volume has dipped significantly because we still have a solid 54 minutes before power hour, doubles before power hour. So it needs to curl and get volume. Curl and break the 81 cent level. WETO. WETO. Let's take a look at SVRN. This thing moved yesterday and it's moving a little bit today. SVRN. Let's take a look at it. SVRN. Doubles. SVRN. Cha-cha. SVRN. Cha-cha. All right. So this is a cheapo stock, right? It's about 29 cents, 28 cents. Boba B says the flusheroo. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. And then, oh, you know about and then? Yes. And then? What else? What other terms of art do we have? We got a couple of them, don't we? And then. Yes. And what else? What other ones do we have? Doubles. We have a few stock terms, right?
We got a few.
What else we got? What else we got? Let me at 'em. Let me at 'em. That's another one. Huh? Schmexy, right? It's got to be schmexy. What have you done for me lately? That's another term of art. That means when a stock's moved really aggressively and then it starts crashing down, it's like, okay, so you went up 200, 300%, but now you're only up 140%. What have you done for me lately? All right, it's just an acknowledgement that, okay, yes, you were really aggressive earlier in the day, but how about now? Why am I not getting paid right now? Why? Okay, all right. So we got all these terms. I'm going to review everything. I'm going to make sure that everybody knows the terms of art because this is part of being a good trader. You have to know the lingo.
The lingo.
How do we do, bro? I'm out of control, dude. All right. How about we look at SVRN? Okay, so this is a cheapo stock. The price is struggling to stay above the volume weighted average. If we go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated, we can see that 28 cents is the volume weighted average. It needs to break above 28 cents, the volume weighted average on SVRN. It has formed what appears to be a potential cup and handle pattern. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. I could draw it for you right over here, right over there, but we got to get it nice yellow, mellow yellow, right? So that's the cup and handle type of shape that it's forming, but you could see that it's kind of failing and it's having difficulty breaking out of the volume weighted average. It's actually below the volume weighted average. We can see that the RSI is starting to dip downward. And more importantly, you could see that there's a lot of chop with the stock. So if we go to the scanner and take a look at SVRN, we can see one of the reasons why the candles look so choppy is that it has a super heavy float at 34 million shares. Now, it's okay in the sense that it's only a 29-cent stock, so the heavier float doesn't scare me that much. But what's very concerning is that you only have 77 million in volume. So the volume is basically about a little bit more than double the float. And I like to have at least 4 to 6 times the float, maybe even more, to be honest with you, right? So that's what's concerning me about this stock. The other thing that concerns me about the stock is it's an inexpensive stock, which makes the price action very difficult to deal with. Now, that doesn't mean that these stocks can't move, but they are more challenging, I would say, right? RSI seems to be dipping downward. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see whether or not this really truly becomes a cup and handle bull pattern. We'll see whether or not that really is the case. Let's take a look at SUNE or SUNE. Sun Nation Energies. Right, so this is an energy stock, obviously. I don't see any news on it. So they did have a conference that just concluded. Let's go into the news feature of the Discord for SUNE and see what the news was, if there was any news in particular. Was there any news for it? let's see. They beat earnings for residential solar demand drives growth. Okay, so they had positive earnings. The price action is generally on an uptrend and is friends with the trend. It's nothing particularly super exciting. A lot of dips and rips, dips and rips. So it's really in a channel type of formation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my graffiti pencil to the channel
Channel time.
and go ahead and show that it's in a channel.
Channel time.
Doubles. It's in a channel. Channel.
Time.
Why did it go? Why did it go blue, bro? Bro, come on, bro. Come on, man. Come on. There we go. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I want to make it a little lighter. How's that? Yeah, that's Rexy. So the price action just broke through the volume weighted average, and it is kind of smack in this upward channel. Currently, the stock's up 40%. Moving on earnings, it is a 3 million float stock, so we can go ahead and take a look at what's going on by checking out the custom scanners that we're sharing from the Discord. And you can see that it has 3 million in float and it has had 47 million in volume, but the price action has been moving in a very choppy type of way. I don't like price action like that, but this actually does have earnings, so there's an actual news component to it, and it's in the energy sector, which obviously is being also affected by the geopolitical stuff that's going on. Wait a minute, Bobo Beep's got some more terms of art. Cha cha cha. Graffiti pencil activated. Oil.
Oil.
I'm not a diva. I'm not a diva. I just want my green M&Ms because I am Coach Nick Money. Money, 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 money. I bless you with money. The sound of parabolic, another term of art. Come on, everybody. Y'all know how it goes. The sound of parabolic. Whoop, whoop. The sound of making money. Whoop, whoop. Bobo Beeps, I hope you make a ton of money, brother. I hope you're healthy, wealthy, and wise, baby. I know you're wise. I just want you to be healthy and wealthy. Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's go. Let's go. All right. So that's the story with SUNE. Let's take a look at ACXP. This stock has moved for the past couple of days. It's been moving. You know what I mean? Moving and grooving. ACXP. Okay, so it's currently up 34%. It's forming what looks like it could potentially be a pennant, even though it's kind of small. Right? So the pennant formation is right over here, but I'm a little concerned about this particular stock, the way it looks. Let me explain why. Okay, the 9 EMA is starting to get a little bit extended from the volume weighted average. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. And let's go ahead and put the volume weighted average at $6.64, 64 cents right there. All right, so this is a support area right now. We need this price action to stay above that. RSI is drifting at this point. Volume candles are obviously low. Again, all acceptable behavior considering we still have 47 minutes before the power hour, okay? But what concerns me is when I take a look at the custom scanners from the Discord community, and this is important, guys, and this is how I use the tools from the Discord community. Let's get the share party going on. Let's go to 300. All right, we're over 200. Let's go to 300. This is how I use the custom scanners from the Discord community. One of the things that I look for is I want to see what the relationship is from the volume to the float, and these tools are awesome because it tells us exactly what they are. And I could see that the float is only 3 million, which is low, and that's good. We want a low float because that's the supply of tradable shares. But the volume is only 7 million, which is just a little bit more than 2 times the float. And again, what we really want to see is 4 to 6 times or greater volume to float ratio, because it generally takes a lot of volume to really push these prices very aggressively upward. And you can see it just by taking a look at the custom scanner that this stock didn't have as much volume as, let's say, SERE, and SERE is up almost 100%, whereas ACXP is only up 36%. Look at WETO, even WETO, right, which pulled back, is still higher, 48%, than ACXP, and WETO is a slightly heavier stock at 6 million float, but it had 100 million in volume, and it's also cheaper stock, right? So it makes it a little bit easier to move. But that's basically the type of stuff that I look at with the custom scanners from our Discord community. So there's a link in the description to do a 4-day trial. Go ahead and check out the Discord community and get all access to all these tools. It's $9.99. You check it out. Let us know that you saw it on the stream. Why not, doubles? Why not? Why not? All right. Perhaps ACXP has formed a bull pennant. We'll see whether or not that bull pennant holds itself. All right, let's go into another game. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get the 400. 400. Let's see. Bubble Beef says, I'm not a wise man, but I play one on YouTube chat. If you know, you know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love it. 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 Bubble Beeps in the house. I love Bubble Beeps. He's the best, man. He's awesome. Awesome sauce. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 300, 420 for the memes. Oh, dude, look. The foundation. The foundation. Don't turn your back, bro. I want to give you a hug. What are you? Dude, I was trying to give you a hug. What's wrong with you? Bruh.
He's very avert to hugs.
I don't know, bro. Everybody's so volatile in this game, you know? Like, everybody wants to, like, shoot you and eliminate you. I don't know. I mean, can't we all just get along? I don't know. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? All right, you know what? The heck with it. I don't want to be your friend. That's it. You didn't want to shake my hand? You didn't want to hug me? That's it. I shoot you. Dude, Frigid Forest. Do I go there, bro? If I go to these places, you know that there's going to be like absolutely berserk, right? You know that, right? Yeah, I'm not going to go. I'm going to wander into these places as I do. What is this purple stuff? Purple. Am I driving the bus, bro? No, the bus driver is a guy named, what is his name? Little Monkey? What was his name? I don't know. I thought it was like Little Monkey or something like that. I don't know. Doubles. I don't know. All right, doubles. We got a new. No, it wasn't me. All right, we got a new one here. Lighter. LIDR. Heavy float up 32%. Heavy float up 32%. 32%. Lighter. They make the lighter stuff for the autonomous vehicles, doubles, you know?
Up 32%?
32%. LIDR. Heavy float up 32%.
Yes, sir.
I got another one for you when you're ready. Doubles, just let me know. Give me a holler. Give me a scream when you're ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. The next one's going to be AZTR.
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 Yes.
It is a heavy floated stock as well. Up 36%. 36%. That's another term of art, right? Presenta, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, man. We got all kinds of things going on, bro. Ooh, what is this? I heard about this thing right here, bro. I heard about it. Did somebody already start a thing with me, bro? Bro, really? Already?
Yeah.
Come on, bro. This is like redonkulous, man. I like to loot, bro. I like to loot, bro. Let me loot a little bit.
I hear you too.
Let me get a little schmix at first, bro.
You gotta take out the guy.
I gotta take him. I'm gonna take him out, bro. I'm gonna just push this guy. I'm just gonna push him. I need a better weapon. I don't know if this is good or not. No, I don't like this thing. No, I don't like it. I don't like it, bro.
Big laser beam.
No, I don't like it, bro. Not my cup of tea. It's too slow. Too slow.
Maybe he acts as a sniper.
All right, here we go. All right, let's get it. Let's get it done, bro. I heard this one's better. I don't like that. I'll do this one instead. All right, that red mark is him?
Yep.
All right, let's.
One on the map.
All right, why is he running, bro? Why are you running? You want us to fight? Let's fight. Now, what does it mean when it turns big red like that? What does that mean?
That means that when it turns into a circle, that means you're closer and he's in the vicinity of that circle on the map. It's not like a direct, exact location. Otherwise, you're gonna get the jump on him. But it tells you his approximate location is here.
Okay.
So anywhere in that red circle is where he is.
All right, let's get him. So now I gotta waste time with this fool. This kind of messes up my gameplay, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He's fighting somebody, bro. Serves him right to fall in love.
You probably get prizes. You probably get a prize for killing him, and he probably gets a prize for killing you.
Come on, bro. What is going on here? Get out of here, fool. Get out of here, fool. Fool! What the hell is this? What is all this, bro? What is... Oh, that's that grappler thing, bro.
You get credits. I
I'm
don't know
gonna
what the
take it.
credits do.
I don't know, but this is a grappler thing, bro.
I don't know what those rivalry credit things do, but
I don't know.
guess you could use them to get more stuff.
All right, well, anyway, I eliminated the fool. He wanted to play, so let's play. Right, Doubles? He wanted to play, so we played.
You could also start rivalries with other people.
I don't want to start no rivalries. I'm a friendly fella, bro.
I know, I'm saying you can.
I don't bother nobody, bro. I don't bother no one. I'm here to have fun and eliminate a couple of fools, bro. Fools, I tell you. Oh, that storm is here, bro. I better take the bandies with me. Right? I better take the bandies, bro.
Yeah, you should.
But you know what I want to get? I want to get the thing over here, the guy. This guy. Dark Voyager, blah, blah, blah. What is this?
Echo.
I don't know. I want his things. I want his thingamajig, bro. Where you at? Bro, he's right there, bro. How come is he by himself? Why is he by himself? I don't understand, bro. Okay, ready?
Bing, 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 bing.
Well, that wasn't really that interesting.
You got a launcher now.
I don't know. This is kind of dude. This is kind of garbage, bro.
Oh, you don't like the launcher?
What launch? What launch? Oh, I had the launcher already, bro. I had it already.
Yeah, it's a golden one.
No, but I had one already, bro. All right,
Okay.
let's get out of here, bro.
And then
I don't know. I'm not used to the season yet, Doubles. I'm not used to it yet, Doubles. You feel me? And then I'm not used to the season. Let's get a share party. We're at 300. Let's go to 400.
400.
Let's get that 400. I gotta get used to the season. I don't know. I always don't like seasons when they start, and then like later on I like them. I don't know. I'm not a diva, bro. I'm not. I just act like one. Does that make sense? I'm not a diva. I just act like one, bro. No, bro. Come on, bro. Diva. You know what it is? I don't like not knowing what I'm doing. Right?
You kind of have to.
I know. I know. It's a new season. I know. But I like consistency, bruh. You know that about me. You know I like consistency. I like to be consistent, bruh. Nah, sometimes you gotta just go with the flow, though. For real.
For real.
For real. Doubles. We got AZTR 61% up.
AZTR 61%.
Up 61%. What is this? I don't want none of that. I don't. Oh no! We got somebody over here.
Take them out. He's right, he's too left.
Yeah, here, bro.
Bing!
Bada bingo! Bing bong! Bing bong! Bing bong! Bing bong! Bing bong! Ooh! Ooh! Looky here, bruh! Looky here, bruh! What happened? Oh, what happened, bruh? What happened, bruh?
And now you got a new SMG.
Do I want that? I don't know if I want it.
It's a pretty good show.
I don't know, bro, but then I gotta get rid of some of my mobility. You know what? I'll do it. Why not?
Well, the fist is mobility. So.
I got the impulses, bro. I'm good.
Is that an impulse?
Yeah, they're impulses. They're not like the best impulses, but they are the impulses. I need shield, bro. What the freak, bro?
The freak.
Why is there no shield, bro? What is going on here?
Noah.
I don't know, bro. This is like redonkulous.
I just don't know.
I don't understand it, bro. It just doesn't make any sense, you know? Ah, here's some half pots right here, bro. All right, some half pot over here. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it done, bro. Oh, is this an MK, dude? Bro. No, it's not. It's not. It's this corny thing right here, bro. All right. It don't matter none, bro. It don't matter none, I tell you. All right, we'll keep this thing. We'll keep this thing, doubles. We'll keep it. So right now, there's not. You know what I would really love to have right now? A car, bro. Right?
Yes.
Right, doubles. Right?
Yes.
Oh my. Oh my gracious. Oh wait. There's some lusciousness.
Splash.
Lusciousness over here. Bada bingo. Bada bingo. Lusciousness. Let's go. Another term of art, doubles. Lusciousness. Ooh, luscious, luscious. Anything over here? Nobody. Ooh, look at that. 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 You know what, bro? I'm gonna go with my impulses, bro. I'm gonna go with my impulses, bro. I want my mobility. Yeah, I don't think they have doubles. I don't think they have the jetpack. The jetpacker.
No, that's fine.
They don't have it, bro. They don't have it.
That's a lot less you flying into the storm.
I don't know, bro. I kind of liked it though. I got used to it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of good. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Lusciousness? Is there an enemy over here? Enemy, bro. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, ooh, lusciousness. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Everything is luscious right now, bro. No car though, bro. What is going on here? What is going on? No vehicle for the coach? Come on now. You know I love a whip every now and then. Oh, there's an enemy over here, bro. Doubles, there's an enemy nearby, bro. Yes, sir. Enemy. Oh, wow, there's a lot of stuff happened over here, bro. Look at this. Look at that, dude. Look, they left a chug over there, bro. You see that?
Yeah.
What is going on here? Oh, it's only 10 on it. Forget it. No bueno. Oh, this clown right here, bro. He's coming. Bye-bye, fool! Oh, they got that gun again, bro. They got one of those tracing guns, bro. Oh, doubles. What the heck, bro?
He took the walls.
He did take the walls. All right. Doggone it, bro. All right. Let's go back to the lobby. All right. That was annoying. All right. Let's take a look at the stonks.
Try hard, not gonna lie.
No, he wasn't a try hard. He just got the best of me, bro. I should have pushed him. You know what I got to start doing? Like, I'm trying to reset. Instead of resetting, I should just push. You know, I got to be aggressive. I'm trying to let the game last a little bit, you know, but nah. All right, coffee time, doubles. Let's get some coffee. We'll go over some stocks. You know what I mean? Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coaching Money. At Coach Nick Money. Money. Let's take a look at VSTL. What's the story with that stock? VSTL. All right, let's see what's going on with that. VSTL. Oh no, what happened here? Okay, this is an ETF. Forget about it. Not interesting at all. Let's go to LIDAR. LIDR is trending upward. It is friends with the trend. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Friends with the trend. However, as we said before, it is a heavy floated stock, and you can see that the 9 EMA is significantly extended from the VWAP. And more importantly, you can see over here that the RSI is very much in the overbought area. So a pullback would not be a total surprise. It's currently up 34%. 34%. We got 370 folks in the audience. Let's do a share party. Let's get 420 for the memes, doubles, shall we? 420 for the memes. I tell ya. I tell ya. I tell ya. I tell ya. Ha cha 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 cha. Ha cha 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 cha. But it looks like it needs to pull back doubles. It looks like that, you know. Also, make sure you're following us on x.com at Coach Dick Money. At Coach Dick Money. And of course, you're going to want to also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, as well as Twitch at Coach Dick Money. At Coach Dick Money. And we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Let's take a look at ELA. ELA is currently up 37%. It's formed the double top doubles, and it had news that the company reported better than expected earnings. If we go to the custom scanners that we're using in our Discord, this is how we use it. We check float and volume, and you can see that the float is 7 million, which is not high. It's not low, but it's not high. It's not bad. But the issue is it's only moving on 1 million volume, so it's not really got that much of attention. And then we could see that the price is $15.91, so it's a heavier price stock. So it is up 37%, but you could see that because of the lack of volume, it's having difficulty staying at that price range. And if we get the graffiti pencil activated, we could see that it actually formed a double top. Look at this doubles. Do you see it? We got a top over here and another top over here. For those of you that are new, clip this doubles. I'm going to explain the double top. Clip it. Let's clip it. Ready? All right. So here's what we have with ELA. It formed a double top. Okay. And what a double top basically is a pattern where the price action pushes up and it tries to break through a level right over here. It fails. It starts to basically consolidate at that level, trying to break through, fails, comes back down, tries to break through a second time, and it looks like it's going to fail. And then what ultimately ends up happening is, in these type of situations, the buyers start to fatigue, and in many instances you end up having a reversal, which is exactly what's happening right now. The price action is starting to dip, and it's actually starting to move below the volume weighted average, which is at $16.20. So a lot of times what will happen is you'll have a significant drop off right over here. That's the clip double. That's the clip. We could validate the fact that this price action is moving downward by looking at the relative strength index as well. All right, so we can see right over here that the RSI is also dipping down. So both indications suggest that the price action could potentially keep flushing downward. That's the signal that comes from this double top, and it's validated by us using the Discord scanner and seeing that, in fact, there's just not a lot of volume in relation to the float. That's how it basically works out. All right, so that's the situation with ELA. Let's take a look at ACXP. Let's take a look at ACXP. ACXP, cha-cha. Doubles. ACXP, cha-cha. All right, we already looked at this. This formed a bull pennant, but it doesn't look like it's really having much success holding the bull pennant. So hopefully it will hold this bottom trend line, which is support, and break out of this upper trend line of the pennant, which is resistance, and move upward. But we do see that there's quite a bit of distance between the 9 EMA, which is right here, and the volume weighted average, which is where the green line is. And that usually indicates that there is an extension in price action, which oftentimes results in a pullback, right? A pullback, because generally the 9 EMA wants to sit near the VWAP unless there's a lot of volume going in one direction or another direction. RSI is slowly drifting downward from the overbought area, so it's moving towards a much more bearish type of a situation. We'll see what happens with it. We got the forward 20 for the memes. Let's go ahead and get a share party and get ourselves to 500, 600. Let's share it up, 600, 700. Let's get it done, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's share it. Go. Let's go. Let's go, doubles. Did I do AZTR? Did I do it? AZTR. Cha-cha-cha. AZTR. Cha-cha. AZTR. Cha-cha is up 58%. 58%. The company announced that it entered into a security purchase agreement with a new and existing institutional investor worth up to $13.4 million in gross proceeds. And basically, what we have here is movement on this stock with very, very, very light volume. It's a heavy floated stock moving with light volume, and it's currently up 51%. So it needs more volume. And the other component that I don't like about it is look at how aggressively it dropped. So it went up very, very quickly, and then precipitously, is that a word? Precipitously
I don't know.
came tumbling down, tumbling. So, I mean, it's forming kind of like a cup and handle, but I don't like the way the price action is happening on the stock. The structure doesn't look so clean at this juncture, and it could also be a double top, a top over here or a double over there. You see that?
The structure doesn't look so clean at this juncture.
At this juncture, the structure doesn't look so clean at this juncture. I can make it sound French, bro. Ah, oui, oui, pipi, pipi le pew, pipi le pew. Was it Pepe? What is it? Pipi, Pepe, Pipi or Pepe? Pepe le pew. Pepe le pew. Okay, so that's the story. That's the story. That's the story, right? S'il vous plaît, give me a plate.
Escargot.
Escargot. You don't like escargot, bro.
I don't. I hate it.
It's snails, bro.
Ugh.
Slugs.
So gross.
Slugs.
I thought that was edible.
Dude, with garlic sauce, bro. A little bit of lemon.
Look,
A little bit of lemon.
whoever thought this was a good idea needs to be arrested. I'm sorry.
Let's get that share party. Let's go to 500, 600. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, let's try to get a victory royale. I'm tired of this shenanigans. All right, we got 24 minutes before the next power hour starts. Let's go to SER. We'll keep an eye on SER. SER, cha-cha. SER has formed a bearish double top and is selling off currently. Double top selling off currently, needs to break a downtrend, Warning, warning, warning. It is in a downtrend. It's moving towards the volume weighted average, needs to hold above the volume weighted average. Current volume weighted average at $2.24. $2.24 doubles. Yeesh. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. All right, I'm ready to go into this battle royale, bro. The battle royale, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. I'm like a little perplexed right now. Right? I mean, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm like trying to figure out, what to do. Bobo Beef says, was it just me or did doubles sound like Dr. Doofenshmirtz doing his German accent this morning? Yes. It's absolutely Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Do it. Hold on. Here. Do it for Bobo Beats. Hold on. I'm gonna give him the headset. Hold on. Do it real quick. Go ahead.
Perry the Platypus, I see you're here for my new Inator. It is the Stonkinator! And when I use it, it makes the stonks go up, and I could use it on the whole entire tri-state area! Okay, there we go. Take it back.
I need the headset. How good was that, huh? He did voice acting, bruh. Right, Doubles? He sure did, bruh.
Yes.
Oh, Doubles, I messed up. I should have jumped out, bruh. I don't matter. I'll jump out now.
You jump out now.
I'm gonna jump out now. Why not, bruh? Why not?
What is that thing in the sky?
It's like XP. You get XP. They let like the individual players, like one individual player that plays, drive the bus, and I guess you collect the XP. So like the bus is all over the place. So it kind of looks like your uncle's driving the bus, and out of control.
Yes.
Bravo. Bubble Beef said bravo. And as Doubles takes a bow. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Dude, I love that show, dude. That was Phineas and Ferb, right?
Yes.
Dude, I used to watch that, bro.
Yeah, I used to watch it.
Right? And everybody's like, why are you watching that? You're an adult. I'm like, no, I'm not, bro. No, I'm not. No. Do I sound like an adult? No. No, bro. No. Besides.
Plus, if you're that uptight about it, then
Yeah. Oh, dude, there's a car here, bro. What's up, bro?
Normally the people who I call old are people that are uptight about that stuff.
Doubles, you know what? Somebody already started with me, bro. You believe this?
I mean.
Oh, somebody's nearby, dude.
Can you blame?
I gotta pay attention. I got an enemy over here, bro. I gotta go. This is like too. No, it's too quick, bro. I'm not ready. I'm outie, bro. I'm gonna go out of here, bro. See you later, buddy. See you later, bud. I don't have shield. I'm not ready to fight, bro. I'm not playing this nonsense no more, bro. Nah. They got more cars now, bro. Do you notice that?
Yeah.
I mean, this guy right off immediately, bro. You know, immediately.
They won.
Bobo B says a little trivia about Phineas and Ferb. The actor who voiced their father wrote and played Riff Raff in the Rocky Horror Picture Show. No kidding, really.
Really?
Wow. That's kind of redonkulous. That's kind of redonkulous.
Crazy.
Holy smokes, I tell ya.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna leave this guy alone. I'm not in the mood right now, bro. He's coming after me, bro. But I don't care, bro. I don't care none. I'm not ready to fight him right now, bro. I want to fight on my terms, bro.
I will say this about Dr. Doofenshmirtz. He may not have been the best villain, but he was a damn good father to his daughter. I'm just going to say that.
Doofenshmirtz was funny, bro.
Doofenshmirtz was fun, and he was like a great father to his daughter.
He was a great father to his daughter, was he?
Yeah.
Oh, that I don't know about that.
So Doofenshmirtz had one of those tragic childhoods growing up.
Are you going to give me the whole lore behind the guy?
Yeah, no, it's just that, and then after that, he basically said, you know what, I want to give my daughter everything I never had.
Ah, well, that's noble.
Yeah.
Right? Ain't that noble?
Bro basically, like, everybody else forgot his daughter's birthday except him. Like, that was it. And his daughter was, like, crushed, and meanwhile, he's like...
So he always does the right thing by the daughter.
Yes, of course.
I'm almost out of gas, bro.
Of course.
Bro, I'm out of gas here. Come on, do I make it or no? Oh, there's another whip right there, bro. I don't mind.
Apparently, the daughter ends up with Ferb.
No way, really?
Yeah, apparently.
His daughter ends up with Ferb? I don't remember the daughter character, to be honest with you, bro. I really don't.
His daughter was, like, whiny.
She was whiny?
She was whiny, but, like, a nice girl, but whiny.
Oh, my. Oh, my.
Just like Candace. Candace was whiny.
I don't remember Candace.
She was the snitch.
The snitch. Oh, we got an enemy here!
Get him! Hit him with the car! Fire at will! At will! Get him, there you go.
That's not the guy, right?
No, that wasn't the guy. That was another guy.
All right. Hey, everybody's trying to mess with the coach, bro. You mess with the bull, you get the horns, fellas. I'm just saying, bro. Right? Right, Doubles? They're trying to get the horn, bro. They want a little bit of the horn. I'll give it to them.
They want the horn.
I don't mind, bro. I don't mind messing them up, bro.
Yes.
What is all this? They changed everything over here, bro. You notice that?
Yeah.
Looka. They changed everything, bro. We need some of that. We need some of that. I don't have a lot of ammo. I just realized that, bro. Yeah, I'm not really, like, aware of what's going on here, Doubles, you know? Yeah. Maybe I should get some fuel. What do you think? Wow, look at this. I'm like lost, dude. This is all different. What is that? Is that another new community over there?
I think.
Dude, I'm like,
Hills.
bro, I am completely lost, dude.
It's called Humble Hills.
All right, now I know where I am.
Your enemy is pinpointed, by the way, nearby.
Yeah, I know. I see him. I got to get some fuel. I want to be mobile, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. No clue.
Just get some fuel.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some fuel. You know what I mean? I'm gonna stay mobile. I don't care. Mobile. I'm gonna stay mobile, Doubles. I'm gonna stay mobile.
Well, do pirate tactics.
Mobile. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go this way, bro. I want to go the other way. I want to go this way. Let's go this way. What do you think, Doubles?
That away.
Dude, I'm like a bad driver now. I'm not sure what I'm doing, bro. Let's go. Let's get this thing right here. What's going on over here? Give me that. Give me that shiznit. Give me that shiznit, bro. Sign the Parabolics. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sign the Parabolics. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, what are we doing, Doubles? I want to get to the other side of the map, bro. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fight these guys because they want to fight. Nah, they gotta fight on my terms, bro.
Exactly.
I'm the one that's gonna instigate the fight, bro. Not you. Enemies over here, bro. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
I don't see him.
There's some in the town.
Right there, bro. Right there. I see him.
You could always turn on the rivalries yourself and get benefits.
No, I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna get this guy right here. I'm not gonna let him get away. Where is he? He's right there, bro. Somebody's shooting at me though. Ooh, he wasn't ready, bro. Poor fella. Oh, that other clown shot my gun, my wheel, bro.
Yeah, he shut your wheels out.
Bro, what is going on here, bro?
They shot your wheel.
They shot both of my wheels, bro. What a creep, bro. Right?
Yep, you're gonna need to find
No bueno, bro. No bueno. No bueno.
down.
Car down. Mobility gone, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to say about that. Oh, look, another whip, bro.
Another whip.
Let's get a share party. We got over 500. Let's get to 600, 700. I promise you, I'm going to make them pay for that, bro. I'm going to make them pay, bro.
Yes.
Right? I'm annoyed at these fellas for shooting my wheels, bro. Yo, I hit that guy hard, bro, with the car.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see that?
I did.
I was like, oh my goodness gracious, bro. Oh my gracious, bro. Somebody's nearby, bro. Somebody's right down here, bro. Look at this. I'm going to mess up his day. Woo! I was actually trying to get some shield for myself. You feel me, doubles?
Yeah.
We got some enemies all over the place over here, bro.
One of them's behind you.
I know. Creatures, bro. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, let's go. Let's go over here, bro. Wow. Oh. What happened, bro?
You parked up a tree.
I know.
You parked up the wrong tree.
I barked up the wrong tree, bro.
No, you parked up the wrong tree.
I don't know what I did, bro.
You parked up the wrong tree.
All right, listen. I'm gonna try to go over here somewhere, bro. That's where I'm trying to go right now.
All right.
That's it. That's it. Yo, I'm driving all over the place like a fool, bro. Where did I mark? I don't even know where I marked, bro. Where did I mark?
That is a good question.
I don't know.
That is a very good question.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Ooh, look at that. There's lusciousness over there, bro. Shall we get some? Shall we get some lusciousness, bro? I think we should, bro, right? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, you know, I know that there's this thing over here. Like, if you do this, bro, you can get, like, oh, never mind.
Oh,
Never mind, bro. Never mind, bro. License and registration. Never. I got a new vehicle there.
New vehicular.
I got a new vehicle.
You hit the cow.
Hey, the cow got in my way. It wasn't my fault, bro.
At least make a hamburger out of him.
It was not my fault, dude.
Hamburger.
Doubles. Check this out. This is my old stomping grounds over here, but it doesn't look the same.
It says new sanctuary.
It does not look the same, bro.
You could hire a new person to help you.
I don't want to hire nobody. I just want some loot, bro. What is all this, bro? What is all this? Maybe we should take this, huh? Yeah, why not? I got crappy loot, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I really do. All right. Let's go. Let's see if we get something decent over here, bro.
Yeah. Alright.
You feel me, bro?
Yeah,
Somebody already looted this place, though. Somebody looted this. Dynamite! Ooh! Woo! I just realized I got no ammo.
Yeah.
Right? I just realized that, bro. I don't know. What do I want to get rid of? Nothing. Maybe I'll just go with very light mobility. Very light mobility.
You could use the rivalry thing that's there. Get a location on one of the enemies.
Maybe. Yeah, but then I'm kind of like locked into battle with the guy,
Not
and
necessarily.
it's end game.
Yeah. Oh, then again, you also get to your location.
Yeah, I don't want to give up my location, bro.
Not true.
What is this? This is the
That's-
rivalry,
that's
and
the
what is this?
rivalry.
And what is this?
That's
Rivalry weapon.
Weapons.
I don't want that. I don't want
Items
none
you
of that.
get
I don't want none of
Or
that.
actually, you could pay. You could use your coins there for that. You see how
I
it's
can?
shiny? Yeah.
To get a weapon?
Yeah. See what you can get.
Let's see. What is it?
Check and see.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, but no, but I can't get that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Yeah. So basically, you do more rivalries.
No,
and
I
stuff, you
don't.
get all
No,
those
I'm not.
things.
I don't want that. I don't
Yeah,
want
but
that.
basically, you could get all.
I
those
got you, bro, but I
It's
don't
like
want.
gold.
I don't want none of that. I don't need none of that right there,
No,
bro.
no, you don't.
I don't need none of that right now. I'm just gonna be mobile. Mobile. I tell you, mobility. Mobility. I tell you, mobility. All right, let's get that share party. We're over 600.
600.
Oh, this now. Somebody is fighting. I'm gonna go and wow. Look at the build battle over here, bro. All right, now I gotta get serious, bro. Cause you know, I gotta try to get that victory, bro. What is going on here, bro? Where are they, bro? Where are they? I don't see him, bro. Do you see anybody? I hear gunfire. Zone. I'm in zone, bro. Somebody's shooting. I hear it. Man, everybody's hiding, bro. Come on. Up. Somebody was just shooting at me, bro. Up there. See him?
Yeah, he's trying to use that laser gun.
I see him. I'm gonna go get him. Oh, there's somebody over there too. Look, there's somebody pushing him right now. There's somebody pushing the guy. Third party? Can I do a third party? How do I... Bro, these guys are fighting like a storm, bro. Where are they, bro? Nah, you know what? I'm going to get out of here, bro. I'm just going to get out of here. This guy's coming at me, bro. All right, I got to go. Let's see. See that? Look at that. See. All right. Let's see what happens. I don't really have much mobility, dude. I don't have mobility. Let's get a share party.
Share party, share party, share party.
Doubles. LIDR. Moving.
LIDR.
Heavy float. 36%. 36%, bro.
LIDR moving.
All right. What are we doing over here? All right. I got to move, bro. I got to move, bro.
You gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go.
I gotta go, Doubles. I do. I don't have that much mobility. Wait. There's a car right here, bro. There's a car right here, Doubles. You see it? Let's get it. Let's get her done. Right here, bro. Ooh, some ammo, bro. Look, I needed that. I needed me some ammo. All right, let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get her done, Doubles. Let's get her done.
Get her done.
What is that? What is that? Some lusciousness, Doubles. We got some lusciousness over here, Doubles. I feel like I should take this. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to take it, bro. I feel like I need to do it, you know? What is all this? What is all this, Doubles? What is it? Where am I? Am I on the mountain yet? Am I on the mountain yet, Doubles? I am. I am. Doubles. I don't know. Oh, right there's an enemy right there, bro. Look. Let's push around. I don't know how this thing works, bro. I don't know how this works, bro. How does this thing work? Oh, that's how it works.
You also use it to get that high ground.
Oh, doubles. Jeez, man.
Yeah, there was an open window.
Ah, no, he broke the wall. He broke the wall. Dude, he won. The other guy lost in the storm. Ah, bro. All right. Doubles. All right. Doubles, do me a favor. Tell them about all the things that they need to know. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get myself a little water.
Oh, okay, sure.
I'm a little parched, you know?
Sure.
Let's get done.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's get it done.
So, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded, and remember to share, because sharing is caring, ladies and gentlemen. Sharing is caring, and of course, if you want access to our private Discord, link to join us in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment section, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of baggers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. The moolah, the loot, the cashola, the big bucks, I tell you. Yeah, and ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to check out our YouTube at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of live streaming, stock reviews, stock analysis. We do all sorts of other things, like, for example, long form videos, short form videos, etc. We do all sorts of cool stuff like that. Also, ladies and gentlemen, check out our x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of live streaming, stock reviews, and stock analysis there. Be sure to give that one a follow. And also be sure to give that one a follow, and be sure to check out our Twitch at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of live streaming there as well. So, we do that as well. So be sure to give us a follow there. Be sure to check us out on our Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of just wonderful stock reviews and analysis there as well. And to top it off, check out our DBL Nicks channel, our TikTok, Tiki aka the Tac at DBL Nicks, at DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. So, as of now, that's pretty much what we got going on there. So, before we continue, be sure to check out our wonderful 4-day access pass for only $9.99. It's full access. If you come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure our trade ideas, how we map our levels, how we think about risk, how we handle our momentum, etc. You also get access to the next day early watch list, as well as the 24/7 market news flow. You get access to pre-market scanners, after-hour scanners, float, volume, catalyst, context built right in, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see our ticker tape, built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic, because they all have hyperlinks to them. So you can basically click on the hyperlink and you learn everything you want to learn about that stock, because we don't do noise, we do structure, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so if that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass, come see it live. Links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment section, so be sure to check that out. And when you come in, let us know that you saw us on the stream. That's pretty much it. Cheers, Coach.
Let's go. All right, folks. We call y'all indelibles. It's now Power Hour, because we want you to leave your mark. We want you to achieve your goals, your dreams, and aspirations, and we want you to be inspirational to others. Folks, you're indelibles because I want you to leave your mark that's unerasable, a.k.a. indelibles, baby. We love you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you had a couple laughs, but more importantly, I hope you learned a lot from the stuff that I'm showing you, because knowledge is power, folks. Be very greenable. make a lot of money, be healthy, be wealthy, and wise, baby. Much love. It's Coach Nick Money.